Hello everybody and welcome to Bus Chronicles number 6. I'm Walter, your mobile historian and blue collar scholar. Thank you so much for tuning in today. This Bus Chronicles is entitled The Confirmation of Judge Ketanji Brown-Jackson to the Supreme Court of the United States. On the 7th of April 2022, history was made in the United States of America when Judge Ketanji Brown-Jackson of the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia was confirmed by the U.S. Senate by a 53-47 vote to be an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States. She will be, upon her swearing in, presumably sometime the beginning of this summer or midsummer, the first African-American woman to hold that position. All right? So in the course of this video, I want to personally thank all 50 Democratic senators who voted for the confirmation of Judge Ketanji Brown-Jackson and the 3 Republican senators, Susan Collins, Lisa Murkowski, and Mitt Romney, for ignoring partisan ideology for this moment, and for this instance, and observing the significance of that very occasion. All right. And to all the Republican senators who decided to walk out, okay, after the final roll call was declared by Vice President Harris, that will be remembered at election time. But to more positive and lighter news, okay, the confirmation of Judge Ketanji Brown-Jackson on the 7th of April 2022 represented the very end of a long and dramatic process to get her on the Supreme Court, beginning with her nomination by President Biden on February 25th, 2022, all the way to her confirmation hearings from March the 21st to the 23rd, 2022, to her 53-47 confirmation by the U.S. Senate on April 7th, 2022. All right? When Judge and future Justice Ketanji Brown-Jackson joins the Supreme Court of the United States later on this summer, it is beyond question, while she will certainly be the first African-American woman, like I said, to ever hold that position, she will also join 2 other very elite groups of justices that have served on the Supreme Court of the United States. The first elite group, I got to drop some history on you, all right? The first elite group is that of justices who were once law clerks at the Supreme Court of the United States. All right. To date, when Justice Brown-Jackson joins the court in the summer, she will become the 8th Supreme Court justice in history to have once been a law clerk herself at the Supreme Court. The others were as follows: Justices Byron White, Associate Justice and later Chief Justice William Rehnquist, Justice John Paul Stevens, Justice Stephen Breyer, who Judge Ketanji Brown-Jackson is succeeding on the court, Justice Elena Kagan, Justice Neil Gorsuch, Justice Brett Kavanaugh, Justice Amy Barrett, and of course, finally, Justice Brown-Jackson. Okay? That is the first elite group of justices that she will join. The next elite group of justices that she will join is an even more elite group of justices who are succeeding their own boss that they once clerked for on the Supreme Court. How awesome is that, folks? Goodness, I mean, it does not get more awesome than that, okay? Justice Brown-Jackson will become the 3rd member of the U.S. Supreme Court in its 233-year history excuse me, to succeed her boss that she once clerked for. The other members were as follows, okay? Chief Justice John Roberts, who succeeded Chief Justice William Rehnquist. All right, Roberts served as a clerk to William Rehnquist back in the 1979-80 term. The next, Justice Brett Kavanaugh, who succeeded Justice Anthony Kennedy in 2018. Kavanaugh had been a clerk to Kennedy back in the early 1990s. And lastly, Judge Ketanji Brown-Jackson, who served as a law clerk to Justice Stephen Breyer. All right. So history has been made, ladies and gentlemen, and I am very proud to welcome Judge Ketanji Brown-Jackson as the next member of the Supreme Court of the United States. So I thank you so much for listening to Bus Chronicles number 6. If you have any questions or controversies, leave them down below and I'll be happy to answer them. You know I got to leave you with some history in addition to leaving you with the current facts. So take care of yourself, stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you at the next Bus Chronicles. Peace out.